Yeah, I started when I was 15 years old as an apprenticeship. I left my family from Chamonix, the French Alps, moved to Paris on my own, did an apprenticeship for 2 years. I got graduated 1 year early in a culinary school. And from then I started to travel, work 2 years in Paris, perfection myself, and after that travel the world.
Steak today, we're going to steak today.
I work in, my first trip was in Saudi Arabia. Why Saudi Arabia? Because Saudi Arabia was the first job they offered me, and they paid me a lot of money to be there, with the hope to get to a better country. After that, I worked for the Hotel Ritz in Lisbon, Hotel Richemont Geneva, I work in Singapore, I work in Açores, I work in Paris, Intercontinental Paris, Fauchon, Gaston Lenôtre Paris, and I work only with the best. This way I can learn the best from the day one. Why? I love cooking because I think cooking is fun, and I realize that where my place should be behind the stove, not behind the desk, sitting all day in the desk, behind the desk. Donc, I love that cooking, and cooking has become a very part of my life. I love the creativity of the food. I love to be creative. I think cooking can be a very, it's like magic, you know? Cooking can become a magician. You take a product and you just do something out of the blue and it come out fabulous. And to me, it's like being an artist cooking. It's being a painter. It's being a creator, you know, a designer. It's what I love cooking.